Hey guys, Logan Rock 88 here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Olympus Stylus VG190. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we're going to start with the SD card, which you got to have. So, let's pull this tab. Here we have our books and stuff. And here is the SD card. It is 16 gigabytes. So, a lot of pictures and videos you can put on here. Alright, let's get to the... That was the appetizer. This is the entree. The Stylus VG190. All you do is pull this tab here. And open up and see what's inside. Here's the setup disc to put on your computer so you can share photos and whatnot. And quick start guide and stuff, which you probably won't read. And a world warranty card, which is always kind of nice. Pull this tab here. And here's the camera. We'll stick that right to the side right here. See what else is in the box. Here's the battery for it. And it's a lithium ion. Sorry about that. Here we go. It is a 925 milliamp hour battery. It's nice. Then we got all the other accessories at the bottom. Here's your lanyard to hook onto the camera. A mini USB cable for charging. And your power brick. I'm not going to open it up right now. Now here is the camera itself. So let's open it up. Here's the camera, the Olympus Stylus VG190. As you can see, the flash right here kind of resembles the Nissan 240SX for all you car guys out there. Overall, it's not a good look. It's a good looking camera. You got a big screen right here. This is a 5 zoom elliptical 5. It's 5 optical limbs zoom. What? Okay. Sorry about that, it's just mom. So here's the 240SX key, 240SX flash. You got this full leather material, which is kind of nice. So you got your record button right here, your menu options, your scene button, and your menu button. So let's go ahead, turn it on, and set this puppy up. If it has any juice. It's your power on off button and your camera button. Oh, I forgot to put the battery in. Pull it out here. Now let's turn it on. Sorry about that. I think I put it in the wrong way, I guess. Sorry about this, guys. After a successful turn on, here it is. Here's the screen. Let's choose our language, which is English. Year. Right here. Let's set it up. Sorry about that. Alright, let's select our country. And there we go. Thanks, guys. Later.